So this is a general flow of an MSIX, how it goes. First, it downloads an MSIX package. It verifies the digital signature. If a digital signature is valid, then you need to proceed with the installation. Otherwise, it will abort the installation. So if the signature is valid, it will unpack the files. It will unpack the files into a virtualized environment or a isolated environment, which is C program file Windows app. It will unzip or unpack all the contents within an MSX package. It will then virtualize file and registries, meaning if the application requires certain registries, it will virtualize those registries which will be available to that application only. Then it will process manifest file. It will register the application's identity. It will register the application with the OS. That's why we are able to see the application in apps and features. So this is the registration process, and after that, installation is completed. So this is all about what are the features of MSIX, benefits of the MSIX, limitations of MSIX, packages that shouldn't be converted to MSIX.